Let's take a look at high-performing organizations. When employees know how to apply their strengths, they can focus on meeting their goals. And their personal goal attainment should contribute to success for the whole department and organization. Human resource management can create work systems that contribute to high performance. The challenge facing managers today is how to make organizations into high-performance work systems. According to research, organizations that introduce integrated high-performance work practices usually experience increases in productivity and long-term financial performance. In the past, decisions about technology, structure, and human resources were treated as if they were unrelated. More recently, managers have realized that success depends on how well all elements work together. In a high-performance work system, the elements that must work together include organizational structure, task design, people, reward systems, and information systems. Human resource management plays an important role. Organizational culture is the way people are grouped into useful divisions, departments, and reporting relationships. Decisions about structure affect how well employees coordinate their activities and respond to change. Task design determines how the details of organization's necessary activities will be grouped, whether into job or team responsibilities. In a high-performance work system, task design makes jobs efficient while encouraging high quality. Human resource management has a significant role in providing people who are well suited to and well prepared for their job. Training, development, and career management ensure that these people are able to perform their current and future jobs with the organization. Reward systems contribute to high performance by encouraging people to strive for objectives that support the organization's overall goal. A high-performance work system may have other outcomes, including high product quality, great customer satisfaction, and low employee turnover. In general, outcomes of high-performance work systems include higher productivity and efficiency. These outcomes contribute to higher profit. The outcomes of each employee and work group contribute to the system's overall high performance. Certain conditions have been found in organizations with high performance. They include teams that perform work, employees who are actively involved in selection, ongoing training is emphasized and rewarded, employees understand how they contribute, and ethical behavior is encouraged. Today's organizations empower employees. They expect employees to make more decisions about how they perform their jobs. One of the most popular ways to empower employees is to design work so it's performed by teams. On a work team, employees bring together various skills and experiences to produce goods or provide service. In a learning organization, employees engage in continuous learning. Knowledge is shared, critical thinking is applied, and the organization has a learning culture in which learning is rewarded, promoted, and supported by managers. In any high-performance organization, employee engagement is emphasized. Employee engagement is the degree to which employees are fully involved in their work and the strength of their commitment to the job and organization. Consultants at Gallup have found that organizations with the most engaged employees have significantly greater customer satisfaction, productivity, and profitability. In the long run, a high-performance organization meets high ethical standards. Ethicals are fundamental principles for behavior, such as honesty and fairness. Organizations and their employees must meet these standards if they're to maintain positive long-term relationships with their customers and with their community. Recruitment and selection aim at attaining employees who are enthusiastic about and able to contribute to teamwork, empowerment, and knowledge sharing. Qualities such as creativity and the ability to cooperate as part of a team play a large role in selection decisions. Compensation supports high-performance organizations when it's linked in part to performance measure. Human resources plays a critical role in meeting the challenges of a rapidly changing, highly competitive environment. Job design can enable the organization to benefit from teamwork and employee empowerment, two of the work conditions associated with high performance. Recruitment and selection aim at attaining employees who are enthusiastic about and able to contribute to teamwork, empowerment, and knowledge sharing. High-performance organizations need selection methods that identify more than technical skills, like ability to perform accounting or engineering tasks, but also those who innovate, share ideas, and take initiative. When organizations base hiring decisions on qualities like decision-making and teamwork skills, training may be required to teach employees the specific skills they need to perform the duties of their job. In addition, high-performance organizations are developing their talent to move into positions with greater responsibility. In a high-performance organization, performance management requires making sure that employees know the organization's goals and what they must do to contribute to goal achievement. Individuals bring a set of skills and abilities to the job, and by applying a set of behaviors, they achieve results. Human resource departments can improve their own and an organization's performance by using new technology. Over the last few decades, automation has improved HR efficiency by reducing the number of people needed to perform routine tasks. As computers become ever more powerful, new technologies continue to be introduced. At any scale, the systems typically take the form of transaction processing, decision support systems, and expert systems. Transaction processing refers to computations and calculations involved in reviewing and documenting HR decisions and practices. It includes documenting decisions and actions associated with managing employees. Decision support systems are software systems designed to help managers solve problems. They usually include a what-if feature that managers can use to enter different assumptions to see how likely the outcomes will change. Expert systems incorporate the decision rules used by people who are considered to have expertise in a certain area. An expert system is designed to recommend the same actions that a human expert would in a similar situation. An expert system can increase efficiency by embracing fewer or less skilled workers to do the work that otherwise would require many highly skilled employees. A standard feature of a modern HRIS is the use of relational databases, which store data in separate files that can be linked by common elements. These common elements are fields identifying the type of data. The ability to locate and combine many categories of data has multiple uses in human resource management. Databases have been developed to track employee benefits costs, training courses, and compensation. The system can meet the needs of line managers as well as the HR department. The power of an HRIS is to process so much data that making analytical skills a key part of human resource management. Organizations are increasingly seeking out HR professionals who can make data-driven decisions. For an organization's human resource management division, customers are the organization as a whole and its other divisions. Depending on the situation, a number of techniques are available for measuring HR effectiveness and meeting its customers' needs. An HR audit is a formal review of the outcomes of HRM functions. To conduct the audit, the HR department identifies the key measures of business performance and customer satisfaction that would indicate each function is succeeding. After identifying performance measures for the HR audit, the staff carries out the audit by gathering information. The information for the key business indicators is usually available in organizational documents. The usual way to measure customer satisfaction is to conduct surveys. Many organizations conduct surveys of top-line executives to get a better view of how HR practices affect the organization's business success. Another way to measure HRM effectiveness is the use of HR analytics. This process involves measuring a program's success in terms of whether it achieved its objectives and whether it delivered value in an economic sense. The analysis can take an economic approach that measures the dollar value of the program's costs and benefits. Successful programs should deliver value that is greater than the program's cost. Costs include employees' compensation as well as the cost to administer HR programs such as training, employee development, or satisfaction. Benefits could include a reduction in the costs associated with employee absenteeism and turnover, as well as improved productivity associated with better selection and training programs. HR has great potential to affect employee well-being and organizational performance.